What's up, people? Got my seat extenders in from Luna, so I can stop having my friends making fun of me, saying I'm riding a kid's bike. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these installed. I only have one hand. Basically, you just need this hex out of the toolkit and a hairdryer, because the Loctite on these from the factory is pretty gnarly, and I didn't want to strip out the bolts, so I heat them up a little bit, get them a little loose, and get them up out of there and get this thing installed. Show you guys the kit here. Get everything out. That's a battery cap thing, extender. So it comes, I don't know what that is. It's got straightforward directions right on the back, how to do it. All the bolts. Actual pieces, man, they're solid. This stuff is pretty heavy duty stuff, so pretty pleased with the quality. So I'm gonna get this thing on here and see how the bike feels from there. Don't mind my looped seat. But yeah, I'll be right back. And we're back. Got the extenders all installed here. Everything looks pretty clean. Nice and clean up in there and all that. Definitely lifted the bike up some. When I sit on it, I can definitely feel the difference. I don't feel like I'm almost sitting on the ground anymore. It feels more like a, man-sized bike. But some things I really like about this kit is this right here. I had seen a couple videos on YouTube where people were complaining about the Luna kit kind of leaving your battery in a state where it's kind of jumping around in there, because when you put the extender on it, it lifts up the cover. But looks like they've done some 3D printing and made this little plastic thingamajigger. I'm gonna take mine back off and spray paint it black. The white looks kind of cheesy from the side on the bike, but I'll do that later. But I really like it. It made it real snug. And it also has this cover that comes out and covers up your latch. That was another complaint about the original kit. So kudos to you, Luna, getting that together for us, because I was about to order the lift kit from, what's that, Sur Ron shop, those guys over in Russia. It was like 150 bucks though, so happy I went with Luna, and I guess I got a little gift for keeping it domestic on that one. They fixed it anyway, so cool. Yeah, outside of that, man, I love this setup. I got a couple more things I'm gonna do here. Like I said, I'm gonna spray paint this and get it the same color as the rest of the bike. I can't really say anything negative about the kit, man. Everything went on solid. It was very easy, very straightforward. You did need one more hex. I remember yesterday I said you just need the one hex, but you do need the other size hex for this top one up here. It's a little bit smaller. But other than that, the hardest part was just heating up these bolts to get that Loctite nice and loose so you can get them out. Because I, at first, almost stripped it before I said, hey, let me see if some heat will loosen these things up a little bit. Other than that, man, we're making progress here. Got a couple more videos coming, and we'll see how this thing ends up. All right, peace out.